The captivating story of Charles Ingram, a former British Army major turned infamous fraudster. Who is Charles Ingram, and what drove him to orchestrate one of the most scandalous crimes in the television history? From his early years to his meteoric rise on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Delve into the gripping narrative of deception and controversy that stunned the nation. Explore the man behind the headlines and the shocking chain of events that led to his dramatic fall from grace. Charles Ingram is a British former army major who gained notoriety in the early 2000s for his involvement in a cheating scandal on the television show Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Ingram, along with his wife Diana and an accomplice, was accused of using a series of cuffs to signal the correct answers to questions during his appearance on the show in 2001. Ingram managed to win £1 million, but suspicions arose due to the unusual pattern of cuffs that coincided with the correct answers. Following an investigation, he was charged with deception and in 2003 was found guilty and sentenced to 18 months in prison, although he served only a portion of that sentence. The scandal received widespread media coverage and has since been the subject of various documentaries and dramatizations, highlighting issues of ethics and integrity in competitive environments. Ingram's case remains a notable example of cheating in television quiz shows and has sparked discussions about the measures in place to prevent such incidents.